Today's video is about how you can use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. The first question is, what is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel is a feature that allows you to apply colors, data bars, or even icons to cells based on specific values that you set. And this feature has various types. One main reason for conditional formatting is because it makes it easier for you to identify important details in your data. To access conditional formatting, make sure to open Microsoft Excel if you already have it downloaded on your laptop. Then you head over to the Home tab so you can locate this formatting feature under the Home tab. Then you look for conditional formatting. Then you click on the drop down. Like I said earlier, there are various types of conditional formatting. There is highlight cell rules, top and bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets, and you can set an entirely new rule. Let's take a look at the first one, which is highlight cell rules. So this is all about numbers or values. Before you can use this particular feature, make sure to select your column or make sure to select a range of cells. In a situation whereby you want to select a range of cells, you can go ahead and then select it like this. When you select your range of cells, then you go back to the conditional formatting feature. You click on the drop down, then the highlight cell rules. We have values that are greater than, and we have less than values. We have between. So in case you want to compare between two values, you can use this option, and then a value that is equal to a particular value. So let's look at the first one. It's easier when you look at the first one, then you can use the same procedure to look at the others. So let's look at greater than. So we are going to leave everything as it is over here. Then we are selecting the greater than value, but in case you want to look at other options, so we have the between, not between, equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, or equal to. And then you select that. We are selecting greater than. So we want a value that is greater than 700. You can also change the color that you want your rule to be displayed in. So you can select this and you see the preview over here. And when you select this, you can also see the preview. So after you are done with that, you select OK. And now we have our values. It has highlighted values that were greater than 700. So this is for the highlight cell rules. And you can do same with the other values as well. So you look for values that are less than another value, values that is in between, values that is equal to. So this helps you to be able to work smarter with your data. Before we go ahead and look at the top and bottom rules, we make sure to select our range of cells. I'm going to select our range of cells. Then we head over to conditional formatting, top and bottom rules. We are going to select top 10 items. Okay, so top 10 items, whether it's percentage, you can make a percentage, but we don't want that for now. Then you're going to select a different color for this. So let's select yellow filled with dark. Then you select OK. So now that you've selected OK, we have something like says selecting top 10 items with high values. So this is how it's going to look. So this helps you to identify key things in your data. With the data bars, they add horizontal bars within cells to visually represent the relative value of each cell. So it can display the bar, then it can display the value. So if I should go with the gradient fill, you can see that is displaying the bar and then the value attached. But if we should add another column here, let's add another column here, insert a column here. Then we make sure to merge these two columns. So we merge across. Okay, so after merging across, you can have something like this. You see, you have the bars here, then you have your values over here as well. So this is how the gradient fill works. We can also insert another column here to do for the other one. Then we are going to select both this, and we go over to merge. So merge across. Then you have your gradient fill over here as well. So it's the same for the other one. So the data scale also works similarly as the data bars. Same with the icon set. First of all, let's clear all the formatting that we've done. So we're going to click on clear rules. So clear rows from selected cells. Then we have an empty data. So we're going to go back to conditional formatting, then icon set. Then there are various options for the icon set. There's directional, shapes, indicators, and ratings. So we're going to go with the indicators. Okay, so we select either of this. One thing you can also do is that after you have this icon set inside your data, you can select your range of cells. Then you head over to the conditional formatting feature. You select icon set, then you select more rules. This way you would be able to manipulate the data. So over here we have the display option for green, yellow, and red. Now when you click on this drop down, you can select any icon of your type when the value is, let's say, is greater or equal to 67. Let's change this and make it 200. When the value is 200, it should be green. And we change this to that when it's 150. And then with this, we change it to something like yellow when it's less than 33. So we have this for when it's less than 150. We are going to change this percent because we are dealing with numbers. So we are going to change this to number, and we come back to write our 200 here. Then we write our 150 here. Then after you are done, you select OK. So this is how conditional formatting works. Make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions and I would respond to them. And there'll be more tutorials on this particular channel, so make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out. I'll see you in the next video.